Welcome to today's video, where we dive deep into the world of SEO and AI. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to rank number one on Google using AI-generated content? It might sound like a bold claim, especially with Google's spam policies. But the keyword here is spammy. In this video, I'll show you how I used ChatGPT to not only rank number one, but also outrank major competitors like Wikipedia, all within an hour. Whether you're an SEO pro or a beginner, you'll want to stick around for these actionable insights. Hello everyone, my name is Kelly. I'm the marketing manager at YZ Vietnam, where we specialize in providing outsourcing services in fintech, e-commerce, and AI. In today's journey, I'm going to share how I leveraged AI to win Google's coveted number one spot. Let's get started. First, let's address a common misconception. Google hates AI content. While it's true that Google emphasizes avoiding spammy practices in its spam policies, the right kind of AI content, focused on clarity and user value, can thrive. My goal was to prove that by optimizing our content for featured snippets, Google would not only accept AI-generated edits but reward them. To begin, I decided to target a keyword with a featured snippet.
Why?
Because ranking in the top 10 for these keywords gives you a chance to claim the snippet. Using Ahrefs webmaster tools, I filtered for snippet opportunities and found over 7,000 potential keywords. With a list in hand, my next step was to pick a target. I needed to identify keywords where our blog content closely matched the search query. The current snippet owner had a comparable or higher domain authority than our site. Our page hadn't recently held the snippet, ensuring that improvements would clearly be tied to my efforts. After narrowing it down to 10 keywords, it was time to put ChatGPT to work. The first keyword I chose was marketing funnel, with Hotjar owning the snippet. I asked ChatGPT to rewrite the definition Hotjar used, but the initial result was underwhelming.
Why?
Because I hadn't given it the right context. To fix this, I researched system roles in OpenAI's API documentation, which emphasized the importance of setting clear expectations. So, I redefined the task. I asked ChatGPT to list snippet types and describe what makes one snippet better than another. Using this framework, I shared the current snippet, my content, and the goal to create a better definition based on 7 criteria. The result? A much improved definition that adhered to the principles of clarity and relevance. Encouraged by this, I refined 9 other posts using the same approach, all within the hour. The real test came when I updated these posts and waited for Google to take notice. Within a day, I won the snippet for SEO versus SEM. Over the next few weeks, I saw incremental success, holding snippets for multiple keywords, including marketing funnel and PageRank. But there was a twist. While the initial changes worked, I noticed something peculiar. Pages with updated content but unchanged last updated dates didn't perform as well. So, with 3 minutes left on my time bank, I updated the timestamps. Almost immediately, rankings improved, reinforcing the idea that even minor technical updates can influence SEO. Fast forward to January, and the results spoke for themselves. I successfully held the number one snippet for SEO versus SEM for over a month. I outranked Wikipedia for PageRank. The optimized posts collectively drove an estimated 10,000 additional monthly visits. Still, I wanted to validate my findings. Was AI content truly the reason for the improved rankings? To test this, I reverted the pages back to their original, human-written versions. Within hours, I lost the snippets, proving that the AI-optimized edits were more effective. Takeaways. So, what did I learn? Google doesn't inherently love or hate AI content. It values content that aligns with user intent. By focusing on clear, concise, and valuable information, AI tools like ChatGPT can help you optimize for user experience and search engine preferences. If you're considering using AI for SEO, avoid spammy practices. Use AI to improve clarity and relevance, not to cut corners. Test and refine your strategies to see what works for your audience. Want to see another exciting SEO experiment? Check out my video where I rank number one for a competitive query in under 24 hours.
Summary.
In this video, I shared how I used ChatGPT to win Google's featured snippets for multiple keywords, boosting traffic by over 10,000 monthly visits. By leveraging AI for clarity and relevance, I demonstrated that AI content can outperform human-written content in the right context. Remember, success comes from aligning content with user intent, not from spamming AI-generated text.